It's over there. They got, yo,
We're gonna go over
this
there.
is expanding. Actually, because we were over there. There are a lot of... That looks dope. Yo! What?
That is a whole lot better looking in person.
Super down here too?
I wanted to run my car. I was about to.
2 JZs. I'm digging these headlights. I know that, but
Can I say this now?
yeah.
I was so drunk on these Ratchet right there. Can I say that?
Yes, you said that.
Can I say that?
Yes, you can say that.
Totally worth. Some of the SI things you do.
Yeah, I noticed.
Okay, well,
That advantage?
that GTR just dust.
Yeah.
Big
What thing? Where?
There.
Oh, okay. Like, I didn't even realize there was so much more to this. Look at that. They have a whole lot more coming in.
Yeah.
And I had no idea. Where's, oh, there you go. There they are. You're just like, ah, we lost them. Oh, I gotta get that. I gotta get that. I'm sorry. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, yeah, they are.
You see that Beetle? It's gonna fall apart on the trail. You gotta go far.
He's not racing.
You gotta go far. There's a panda.
There's a lot of cars here. I did not realize. I did not even expect this. Oh, I guess not. I thought a muffler was dragging for a second, and then I see the guy.
Got more.
What happened? Yo, MR2. I was about to say, oh look, a Volkswagen.
You ripped my bad.
Those are. They're NQ92s. NQ92s, but in black. You saw that? It's not your Vec, it's my Vec. You got more coming? This. Do this, we ought to make our way to the stands and start waiting for the runs. That's it. I'm getting fucking I'm getting coilovers when I get home. You know what? Fuck it.
Are you really gonna buy coilovers when you get home?
Maybe not when I get home, but
That's what I thought. You know how much those are?
I can get a set for $369 for a set of 4.
I was gonna say you go top of the end.
Well, these ones aren't bad. The ones I'm looking at.
Who needs tail lights anymore?
The ones I'm looking at ain't bad. Somebody tell me how. Comment section. Rate it with Raceland coilover reviews for a Civic. Because I hear they're not bad for like the daily, and that's all I'm doing. No. Why? I don't care. All-nighters.
Watch.